double-click Inputs and Outputs from the Starter project tree. Select the Analog Inputs tab. Scroll to the right side of the screen and note the main set point is currently from Analog Input 0. Click in the input box for Analog Input 1 and click Further Interconnections. The available connections list appears. Choose P1070 main set point by clicking the checkbox. The existing connection warning window opens to warn that the existing connection will be changed to the new value. Click Yes and click the OK button to change the connection. The main set point is now interconnected to Analog Input 1. The main set point can also be changed through the Speed Set Point window. Expand Set Point Channel in the project tree. Double-click Speed Set Point. From the Speed Set Point window, click in the Main Set Point input box and select Further Interconnections. The selection window opens as seen previously. Change the speed set point back to Analog Input 0 and click the OK button. The speed set point is now back to Analog Input 0. Return to the I/O window and note that the output of Analog Input 0 is mapped to the main speed set point. Interconnecting analog or word signals is done in a similar manner for all BICO applications.